Welcome to the best picks. The best sink chip repair is probably one of the most frustrating and unsightly issues homeowners face, but with the right tools and techniques, fixing a chipped sink is easier than you might think. This video will guide you through the entire process, from identifying the type of damage to selecting the appropriate repair materials and applying the fix, ensuring a seamless and professional-looking result that will restore your sink's beauty and functionality. Number 5. Porcelain Tile Repair Kit. Is your porcelain chipped or cracked? This easy-to-use kit will help you repair it quickly and effectively, restoring its original beauty. Worried about a noticeable patch? It's formulated to match your existing porcelain perfectly, ensuring a seamless repair. This versatile kit works on a variety of porcelain surfaces, from bathtubs and sinks to shower tiles. It's the ultimate solution for all your porcelain repair needs. With simple instructions, even beginners can achieve professional-looking results. Transform your damaged porcelain in minutes. Once repaired, it's as durable as the original surface. Enjoy a long-lasting, beautiful finish that will withstand daily wear and tear. We offer a range of colors to perfectly match your existing fixtures. Find the perfect shade for a flawless repair. What we like. If you need a perfect color match for your existing sink, this is the kit for you. It's incredibly easy to apply, even for beginners. The durable finish ensures a long-lasting repair, saving you money on costly replacements. If you value ease of use and a precise color match, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It works great, but it's genuinely hard to get a color match. Both I consider adequate outcomes, as they look 1000% better than they did before. The material cures to the consistency of a very hard polymer. Takes a light touch, but it was easy to take the bulk of the material off, leaving a flat surface. This epoxy is pretty amazing stuff. It's slow to set, so you have plenty of time to work it, but then it cures rock hard and surprisingly glossy. Number 4. Ankita Porcelain Repair Kit. Is your porcelain sink chipped or cracked? This kit makes repairs easy, restoring its original beauty and shine. No more unsightly damage. It creates a chip-resistant, waterproof, and durable finish. It's also heat-resistant, so you won't have to worry about temperature changes damaging your sink. This kit cures to a glass-hard finish that's incredibly strong and long-lasting. Enjoy a flawless, glossy surface for years to come. It forms a protective layer that resists scratches, chips, and rust. Your sink will look brand new for a long time. No special skills are needed. It's simple to apply, dries quickly, and is easy to clean up. Anyone can achieve professional-looking results. We're confident you'll love the results. If not, we'll make it right with a replacement or a full refund. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This kit boasts a stunning, high-gloss finish that will make your sink look brand new. Its exceptional durability ensures it can withstand high temperatures and daily wear and tear. The scratch-resistant finish provides long-lasting protection. If you prioritize a flawless, shiny finish and lasting protection, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. I used it to fill one small ding and one large chip in my bathtub. It formed a great bond and is highly durable. This stuff was very easy to use and actually hides the damage even better than I had hoped. Number 3. BathTub Repair Kit. Is your bathtub showing its age? This kit has the power to restore it to its former glory. Repair chips, scratches, and dents easily and affordably. Whether it's ceramic, fiberglass, or porcelain, it works wonders. Save money by repairing your tub yourself instead of hiring a professional. This kit is designed for a high-quality finish. It's simple to apply and dries quickly, making the repair process a breeze. It seamlessly integrates with your existing bathtub paint for a flawless, consistent look. Reimagine your bathroom's aesthetic. It comes with a free ebook packed with expert tips and step-by-step instructions. You'll have everything you need for a successful repair. What we like. It works on various surfaces, from fiberglass to porcelain. The easy application process makes it a breeze to use, regardless of your experience level. The free ebook provides expert tips and step-by-step instructions. If you need a versatile, user-friendly kit with extra guidance, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit has everything you need. And it is so simple to do. Mix equal parts of A and B containers. Mix well. Then mix again. A little goes a long ways. Mix and mix some more. Apply in moderate coats. Don't glob it on. You can add more once it dries. Mixing is easy. You do have to eyeball the amount, but that's not hard and it's not like you need it perfectly exact. It mixes fine. It took me a couple of tries and passes to get the smoothness I'd wanted. Used this to repair a tub and looks much better than other methods I've tried, had extra and used it to repair 2 toilet seats as well as used it over white caulk around the tub that was discoloring. Happy with the results. Number 2. Tub and Tile Repair Kit. Is your bathtub, sink, or countertop showing its age? This kit has everything you need to repair chips, scratches, and dents, restoring it to its former glory. No need to call expensive professionals. This kit makes repairing ceramic, fiberglass, and porcelain surfaces simple and affordable. Save money and time. It's formulated with a high-quality refinishing agent that's easy to apply and dries quickly. Get a professional-looking finish every time. Whether it's your bathtub, sink, shower, or countertop, this kit can handle it all. It works seamlessly with any bathtub paint for a perfect finish. This isn't just a repair kit, it comes with a free ebook packed with expert tips and step-by-step instructions. Everything you need for a successful repair is included. Bring back the shine and elegance to your bathroom with this easy-to-use repair kit. Enjoy a renewed and refreshed space. What we like. This kit is designed for multiple surfaces, making it a versatile solution for various bathroom needs. The easy application ensures a hassle-free repair process. The included ebook provides valuable guidance for a successful repair. If you need a versatile, user-friendly kit with extra guidance, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit has everything you need. And it is so simple to do. A little goes a long ways. Apply in moderate coats. You can add more once it dries. Mixing is easy. It mixes fine. It took me a couple of tries and passes to get the smoothness I'd wanted. Used this to repair a tub and looks much better than other methods I've tried, had extra and used it to repair 2 toilet seats as well as used it over white caulk around the tub that was discoloring. Happy with the results. Number 1. Endhokn Bath Repair Kit. Say goodbye to damaged tubs and sinks. This kit makes repairing chips, cracks, and scratches easy and affordable. It's perfect for porcelain, enamel, acrylic, fiberglass, and ceramic surfaces. No more unsightly damage. With its simple 2-part formula and included tools, achieving a smooth, professional finish is a breeze. From sinks and tubs to shower trays, this kit tackles a wide range of repairs. Get your bathroom looking its best. Once dry, the repair is waterproof and resistant to daily wear and tear. Enjoy a long-lasting fix. Skip the expensive professional repairs. This kit provides a cost-effective solution for all your bathroom repair needs. What we like. This comprehensive kit tackles various surfaces and materials. Its user-friendly design makes the repair process simple and straightforward. The kit includes all necessary tools for a complete repair. If you need a comprehensive, easy-to-use kit with all the tools you need, this is the best option for you. What people say. Easy to apply and finish. Color matched perfectly and it appears to be at least as strong as the unbroken original. The product works great and is very easy to use. When dry, the color definitely got whiter, which was a nice surprise, and the product is as effective and easy to use as noted on the Amazon product description page. There was a small crack in the bathtub and this patched it right up. Very easy to use. Dries bright white. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.